What are the key components of ADF? Answer. Azure Data Factory consists of several key components that enable seamless data movement and transformation. The first component is the pipeline, which acts as a logical container for a series of activities. Each pipeline consists of activities, which define specific operations, such as copying data or transforming it. Next, we have data sets, which represent data structures within linked services. These data sets define the schema and format of the data being processed. Linked services serve as connection configurations to external data sources such as SQL databases, blob storage, and APIs. Another crucial component is the integration runtime, IR, which provides the necessary compute environment for executing pipelines. There are 3 types of IR: Azure IR, self-hosted IR, and Azure SSIS IR, depending on where data processing occurs. Finally, triggers are used to schedule and automate pipeline execution. They can be scheduled, event-based, or tumbling window triggers, ensuring timely data processing based on business requirements.